Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Jay from Haringey Learns. Today we are going to learn about their prevent duty with Josh. We already covered the British values and their importance in guiding how people are expected to live and work together in the UK. They help us to build a society that is fair, safe and respectful for everyone. Let's recap. They are 5, right? Democracy, the rule of law, individual liberty, mutual respect, tolerance of different faiths and beliefs. Your turn, Josh. Tell us more about prevent.
In today's lesson we discuss about terrorism, which is something that can devastate lives. Prevent is a national program to stop people from becoming terrorists or supporting terrorism. The aim of the prevent strategy is to intervene early, offering personalized help to move people away from dangerous ideologies, no matter what those ideologies are. Radicalization involves developing extreme views supporting terrorism. Vulnerability can increase susceptibility. It is important to be aware of the signs of radicalization, such as accessing extremist content, justifying violence, and changing appearance to match extremist groups or adopting extremist symbols. If you're worried about someone you know or if you notice something that look out of the ordinary, visit the ACT Early website for advice. Your concerns will be handled confidentially. The prevent duty aims to stop people from becoming terrorists and rehabilitate those already involved. Helps them to disengage and rehabilitate. In order to support the prevent strategy has been introduced Channel. Channel is a safeguarding panel that supports prevent, offering confidential, voluntary support through multi-agency safeguarding professionals. It is important to take actions against radicalization and terrorism, preventing any potential threat. So, if you are worried about an imminent threat, which go beyond the needs for advice and require immediate intervention, please contact the police prevent team or call the ACT Early support line. Your call can make a difference and save lives.
About prevent. Thanks, Josh. Here at Haringey Learns, both prevent and the British values are very important. Haringey Learns, as part of Haringey Council, promotes these fundamental values, necessary to promote respect for others and tolerance of different cultures and religions in one of the most multicultural area in London. Haringey's own community focus is to foster a strong sense of belonging and to empower individuals. For learners, this means feel safe in a community that values fairness, equality, and respect for everyone. Thank you for watching. Goodbye now.